Hi Eden, how's it going, dude? How's it going, dude? So what you want to do is get a sock, get a hamster. You can get 2 hamster, but I only have 1. Come here. Come here. Come here. I have an idea. Get in this ball, dude. Got him. After you catch the hamster, put her in the sock. Get in the sock. Get in the sock. Come on.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Bye, Felicia. Baby.
All around me are familiar.
Whoops. Can you not scream? Ah, shit.
She's gonna fucking die down there if you don't grab her. Where is she?
I can't just grab her.
I know, but you gotta. I knew this was a bad idea.
Because you didn't want to help me.
I didn't want to do it because it's a bad idea.
If you helped me, you wouldn't be down
Really,
here.
babe? Really? It's not funny.
I'm not blaming you. What if we vacuum her?
No! No, fuck. She just went under it. Oh, no, no, no. Got her. Oh, shit. Oh, no.
I got it.
Got it.
Got her.
This is the time of our life though, so you know I gotta pop by the time go. I'ma have to pop out for the night show. Find a balance, you might see me on the tightrope. Keep the same energy.
No animal was harmed in the making of this video. There you have it, guys, how to drop a hamster in the heater. See you next time.
See the fans from afar with the eye rolls. Tear turning away, see the tight door. King credit my nigga, that's a tight door.